Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: duration class in Java programming. So what is this duration class in Java programming? So Java provides duration class in java.time package. And using this class, we can work with time, especially in seconds and nanoseconds. So it provides access to duration based units like minutes, hours, days also. So this class is available in java.time package duration. So if we see the description of the class, java p-public java.time.Duration, open the command prompt, go to your working directory and issue this command: java p-public java.time.Duration. So it provides one public static final data member, and it provides some static methods you can get, using which we can get the reference of duration object reference. And it provides different instance methods using which we can work with duration: is 0, is negative, get seconds, get nanoseconds, etc. So we can also perform plus days, hours, minutes, seconds, milliseconds, nanoseconds, as well as minus. So minus days, hours, minutes, seconds, milliseconds, and nanoseconds on duration of a particular instance. So we also have other methods like multiplied by, divided by, and then negated, absolute, etc. And then we can also get a particular duration into days, hours, minutes, seconds, milliseconds, nanoseconds, and we can also convert that particular duration into days part, hours part, minutes part, seconds parts, milliseconds parts, and nanoseconds parts. So we can also compare two durations, and we can also return greater than 0, less than 0, or equals to 0. So let us try to work with these methods, static as well as non-static methods, in a Java program. Right. So the program name is Java duration class example1.java. So take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. So import java.time package and then take main class with main method and save this program in our working directory. So first we'll work with the duration.0, which is a public static final data member, which will create an object of duration du with a duration of 0, which means 0 seconds. So duration time or the period time is 0 seconds. So save this program, come to the command prompt and compile your program. Duration class example 1.java. So no errors on successful compilation, and then just run it. So the duration is period time. So period time indirectly means duration, which is initialized to 0 seconds. So it is mainly used to work with seconds and nanoseconds, including milliseconds. So let us see all these cases with different static methods. So creating a duration object using the static method duration dot of days 1. So 1 day. So print du duration object. So save it, recompile, and run. So the duration object for 1 day. So period time, which indirectly means duration, okay, is 24 hours. So 1 day means 24 hours. Next, we'll create a duration object using of our static method 1. So 1 hour and print duration object. Recompile and then run. So period time, which is duration, 1 hour. H means hour. Next, duration du is equals to duration dot of minutes. So 1 minute, I'm creating a duration. So PT 1M is the answer. So PT means period time, which is duration 1 minute. Next, I'm creating an object duration dot of seconds 1 second. So save this, recompile, and then run. So period time, duration 1 second. So hours, minutes, seconds. Next duration dot of seconds. So here we have to pass two input parameters. So two input parameters means first one is seconds and second one is your nanoseconds. So save this, recompile, and then run. So period time, duration, so 1 second, 0.1. So 1.1 second. So 0.1 is equals to these many nanoseconds, makes up 0.1 second, right? So it is almost all ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So 10 crore nanoseconds makes up 0.1 second, right? So similarly, duration du is equals to duration dot of millis. Millis means milliseconds. Okay, so 1000 milliseconds is equals to 1 second. So recompile and run it. So period time, duration 1 second. 1000 milliseconds is equals to 1 millisecond. Next, duration du is equals to duration dot of nanos. So I'm passing 10 crore nanoseconds, which is 0.1 second. So save it, recompile, and run. So this is 0.1 second duration, right? So similarly, I'm going to create a duration object using parse method. So parse pt duration. Okay, so duration I'll take here 24 hours. Okay, next 30 minutes 1 second. Okay, and print du. So duration object from parse static method. So we have to pass a sequence of characters in a valid format. So 24 hours, 30 minutes, 1 second, pt duration. So these are the different ways to work with duration object. So next, let us go to some instance method. So I'm taking a duration of days. Okay, first I will take 1 day. So print duration object. 1 day means 24 hours. du.e0. Is it 0 duration? False. Is it negative duration? False. So both the answers are false. So recompile and then run. So 24 hours, 1 day duration, false, false, 0 and negative duration. So next, let us work with of seconds and with other instance methods. So duration du is equals to duration dot of seconds. So 86,400 seconds, which is equals to, okay, almost all 1 day, 24 hours into 60 minutes into 60 seconds. So of seconds, and then I'm also passing 0.1 milliseconds. So print 0.1 second, which is 1 nanosecond. Okay, right? So print duration dot get seconds, get nanoseconds. So seconds and nanoseconds. So recompile and then run. So the seconds, so 24 hours, yes. So 86,400 seconds means 24 hours. On that 24 hours, I'm passing 10 crore value, which is 1 nanosecond. I mean, which is 1 nanosecond, which is 0.1 second. Right, so 86,400 seconds. Nanoseconds is, so 1 nanosecond is 10 crores. Okay, right, 10 crore nanoseconds. So next, let us go to other instance methods of plus. Plus days, plus hours, minutes, seconds, milliseconds, and nanoseconds. So creating an object of duration of days 1. So 1 day means 24 hours. So print duration 24 hours. So plus extra 1 day, plus extra 1 hour, plus extra 1 minute, plus extra 1 second, plus extra 1 millisecond, plus nanos 1 extra nanosecond. So assign it back to du duration and print du. So recompile and then run. So initially we have taken a duration of 1 day, which is 24 hours. So for that we are adding extra 1 day. Okay, so 1 day 1 hour. So when we add extra 1 day, it will become 48 hours. So 48 plus 1 hour, 49 hours. Okay, 1 minute, 1 second. Under that 1 second, 0.001, which is 1 millisecond, and then 0.001 0.00001, which is nanosecond. Right. So next, let us perform minus days, hours, minutes, seconds, milliseconds, and nanoseconds. So we are creating a duration object of days 1, which means 24 hours. So print 24 hours duration and then minus 1 day, 1 hour, 1 minute, minus 1 second, minus 1 millisecond, and 1 nanosecond. So print duration du. Recompile and then run it. So initial it is 24 hours. So minus 1 day, 1 hour. So minus 1 hour, minus 1 minute, minus 1 second, 1 millisecond, and 1 nanosecond. So 1 millisecond is 1 by 1000th of a second, and 1 nanosecond means 1 by 10 crores of a second. 10 crore value of a second. Right, so next let us perform getting all the data. Okay, we'll perform some other operations. I'm taking a duration of days 1, so 24 hours. So print 24 hours duration, and du is equals to du dot multiplied by 2. So it will become 2 days duration. Print 2 days duration. Right, we'll execute till here. Multiplied by 2. So 1 day into 2. So total it should become 2 days 48 hours. So initially 1 day 24 hours into 2 48 hours. So next on the same 48 hours du. So du means 48 hours divided by duration of days 1. So of days 1 means 24 hours. So divided by 24. So 48 hours divided by 24 hours, we should get 2 hours. After that, divided by 3. So 2 hours, okay, it should be divided by 3. So print du. Okay, we'll execute till here. Recompile. Achha. So it should be multiplied by, multiplied by 2. Okay, so here when it is multiplied by 2 and when you print du, it is taking 2 days. Okay, right. So 2 days means 48 hours. So divided by 1 day. Okay, yeah. So 48 hours. Okay, initial it is 24 hours. Okay, multiplied by 2, it became 48 hours. And then divided by 48 hours divided by 24 hours. Yeah, we got 2 hours. Okay. Next, after the 2 hours, what we are doing is, okay, now this is not changed. We are still here in 48 hours. So 48 hours divided by 3, we got 16 hours. Okay, because in this case we are not assigning it back to the DU, so it is just a temporary value. So 48 hours divided by 3, 16 hours. Next, we will perform du dot negated minus 16 hours, du dot absolute means positive number, so minus 16 hours will become positive 16 hours plus 16 hours. So print du plus 16 hours. So recompile and then run it. So minus 16 hours, okay, and then negation, absolute value of minus 16 hours is plus 16 hours, right? So next let us perform other operations on duration object, right? So from the duration object, du of days, 1 day means 24 hours, so print 24 hours. So convert 24 hours into 2 days, means 1 day 2 hours, 24 hours 2 minutes, so 24 into 60 minutes. Okay, 2 seconds, so 24 into 60 into 60. Next, milliseconds, so 24 60 into 60 into 1000, 2 nanos into 10 crores. Okay, so converting into days, hours, minutes, seconds, millis and nanoseconds, 1 day. So recompile and then run it. So 24 hours is 1 day, 24 hours into 60, 1440 minutes into 60, 86400 seconds into 1000 milliseconds into 10 crores, which is nanoseconds, right? So next let us perform right. So into 10 crores, 10 crores is 0.1 second. Yes, right. So it should be. Next let us perform one more operation. So we also have other methods to get days, hours, minutes, seconds, milliseconds and nanoseconds. So create a duration object using parse method. So pt duration 30 hours, 1 minute, 1 second, 1 millisecond and 1 nanosecond, right? So print du. So du to days part, we'll get only the days part, 30. So days part means it is 30 hours, which is days part, so 1 day. Okay, right? So hours part 6 hours, so 1 day 6 hours. Okay, minutes part 1 minute, 1 second, 1 millisecond, 1 nanosecond. So save this, recompile and then run it. Yes, so 30 hours 1 day, 6 hours 1 minute, 1 second, 1 millisecond and 1 nanosecond, right? So this is how we are supposed to work with duration class in Java programming, and this class belongs to java.time package, and it allows us to work with seconds and milliseconds and nanoseconds, especially with respect to time. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.